You laying down and relaxing? Yeah. Up, up, up. Oh, back to laying down. Hey, Squish, come here. See how, show people how you can whisper. Ready? Can you say mom, mom?
Mama.
Squish, can you say mom, mom? Good girl. Squish, can you say daddy?
Hi, Daddy.
Can you, Squish, can you say daddy?
Daddy.
Good girl. Such a good whisper. Is that how you lay? Yeah. Be careful. Don't fall off the bed, please. No, you're about to fall. Okay, that's safer. Okay. Hi. You crazy. Okay, say bye-bye.